Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and first of all, I just want to tell you guys thank you so very much. I am absolutely blown away by all of these comments of support, requests, clarifications. Hey, you left something out. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate it, how humbling it is to not only to have people dig through. I know you guys are having a hunt when you get there. A couple of you have been around a while. My videos did not originally come up anywhere near the top, but so what this announcement is I'm going to, I think what I'm going to do going forward is the requested videos that come through, I'm going to add those on top, because I began to look that it had been a month since I had done well, how would we say, take a week out? It had been 3 weeks since I had gotten back into the groove because of all of the awesome video requests. So what I'm going to begin doing is I'm going to keep all the lessons coming, all the informational videos, all the topics, all the scheduled rotation that I have, so we can stay on par. And the requested videos, I will then begin to add those in. So if you guys keep the video requests coming, I'm actually planning on doing 2 videos a day. I'll release them 12 hours apart. So for those of you who are, and I can't believe I have people all around the world watching these videos, that blows me away. Absolutely. I am extremely humbled by the amount of subscribers that I have, the wonderful comments of support, asking for clarification. I'm absolutely blown away by it, and I just can't tell you guys thank you enough. Please keep the questions coming, because if you have it, you're not only helping me make this a more viable channel with the best knowledge and information on it, because I want this to be a resource. I want this to fill the gaps for everybody, because I was going around finding, the idea behind this was that I wanted this channel to be everything that I needed when I was learning. That's the goal of this. And we're beginning to have a very strong community with wonderful questions, video requests, and support for each other. So thank you. And going forward, all requested videos will be added and dropped 12 hours off center. So I can't tell you guys thank you enough. Please like, subscribe, notify, and please share these videos to anybody who you think is struggling and would be helpful. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or video requests below, and I'll knock them out. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.